RDDT, stock analysis March 13 and onward. Should I buy right now is probably the question that you have, and I'm covering this in the next 1 minute. And after 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars on trading mentors and education, I figured out what's making me money, and I do have all the proof to back it up on this YouTube channel. Looking at the Reddit Incorporated, I get it, you know, it's been kind of picking up like crazy when it really started trading on the Nasdaq, I remember in April, but now it's kind of filling in this gap with this big correction, which nothing unusual because most of the market is down. And you can see, like, I had my demands area here and I was set, you know, I was set to buy if the rules were met. And guess what? Rules never got met. And it's not like I'm scared about, you know, sorry about this. It's just the market, you know, sometimes that's going to happen, and it's about how you respond. And honestly, like, this bullish idea has not gone away. Still, if there is a proper shift, not just that I'm going to be like in a swing opportunity to buy, but more so on the lower time frame, I'm still going to try to milk my way up to the highs, right? So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, click the first link in the description. There's a lot of sauce.